Hi, I'm Jeff Cohen. I'm Vice President and co-founder of EOS Climate. We're working with businesses and agencies around in North America and around the world to help accelerate the move to more advanced technologies in the refrigeration, air conditioning sectors, as well as a number of other sectors in commercial, industrial, residential applications. And specifically what we're doing is leveraging carbon finance, carbon markets, to collect and destroy CFCs and other ozone depleting chemicals that are remaining in use around the world in older equipment. And those chemicals are leaking out at a fairly high rate, getting into the atmosphere, and those gases, which were phased out of production under the Montreal Protocol, but still remain in inventory in these old pieces of equipment, are incredibly potent greenhouse gases. They not only destroy the ozone layer, but also have global warming potentials in the range of 4 to 10,000 in some cases. So these gases, even though they're in relatively small volumes, are exerting a very potent, very powerful adverse impact on our climate system. So what we've done is establish standards and methodologies, work with our technology partners to develop a system that is very efficient, low cost, and uses existing infrastructure to aggregate these chemicals and move them into destruction facilities that are permitted in the U.S. under the U.S. Clean Air Act and RCRA. They're very well controlled. They destroy these gases to 99.99% efficiency. And once they are destroyed, obviously they're not coming back. There's no risk for perverse incentives. They've already been phased out of production. So we're really preventing emissions directly, immediately, and we're also delivering what we think are the highest quality credits to the carbon markets in the very near term. And we've just completed, we're here in Istanbul, meeting with the UN Environment Program and the Montreal Protocol network to discuss our projects. We just completed our first project in 2010. Actually, just half of our project. We destroyed nearly 600,000 tons of CO2 equivalent by collecting old refrigerators that would normally be shredded and landfilled, and the CFCs would be released into the atmosphere one way or another. We pulled the CFCs out of those old units and destroyed them, and that's the first large-scale project under the new Climate Action Reserve program, so we're very excited about that. And it's probably the first and only one that will be focused on end-of-life equipment. And that really will be moving the needle and helping to incentivize not only responsible management of these gases, but help accelerate, like I said, the move towards more efficient, more advanced technologies. So thanks for listening, and check out eosclimate.com.